Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your OKX wallet to dextools.io. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at dextools.io here, and now to connect your wallet, simply click on the connect button, which is on the top right hand corner. And then from here, connect your wallet. So under step 1, click on connect. And now this little pop-up will appear and it will say connect wallet. So make sure you've got the OKX wallet installed in your extensions and you are logged in or you've created an account. Once you've done that, it should say OKX wallet installed because I've got it installed and I'm logged in. So I'm going to click onto that. Once that is done, your OKX wallet will appear and it will say continue in OKX wallet. So accept connection request in the wallet. So I'm going to click on connect. And it said connected, so wallet connected. And then from there, you need to verify your wallet into dextools.io. So by verifying your wallet, we will validate the ownership of your wallet. So go ahead and click on verify wallet. And then your wallet should reappear and you want to click on continue here to verify. And once you're done, you will be logged in to DexTools using your OKX wallet. And to confirm, if I hover up here, you can see your account. And if you want to disconnect, click on disconnect.